Today let's see interfaces in object-oriented PHP. I'll save the file as interface.php. Okay, as usual, we declare a class. Class is a keyword, A is name of the class. Similarly, while writing an interface, instead of the keyword class, we write the keyword interface and then followed by the interface name. So this is how we write an interface. Okay, let me return the class A2. I'll call interface I. Later on we shall extend and implement these two to class B. I'll take a public method inside class A and write some string inside it. Well, I love Apple products. Let's just type in that. So class A has a method called display and also its implementation details, that is its definition too. Inside interface, all the methods, remember all methods declared in an interface must be public. So here we have public function and the function name is company. Remember, you shouldn't have the definition inside this interface. And variables should always be constants. So how to declare that? Keyword is const. There are other ways to declare constants. Just know this method. In later videos we will explain other methods too. For now, const is a keyword to declare a constant variable. Now our interface and class, let's check it on our browser to check the syntax, because if we have any syntactical errors in this, it will show some error messages. If it doesn't show error messages, the code probably might be alright. It's interface.php. Okay, so far so good, it's working. Now I'll take another class, I'll call it class B, and the beauty, I'll extend class A and then implement interface I. This way I could solve the problem of multiple inheritance wherein I can't have more than two parent class. In this case I have two parent class, that is one is class A and the other one is interface I. So once I extend and implement these two classes, I have to override, that is I have to define the methods present inside the interface, or else it will throw fatal error like the one just showed now. Now the error should go away, indicating that whatever we are writing now must be correct. That is, we have implemented the interface I and then defined function, that is method company. Now I'll create an object of class B. We have two methods inside class B, that is display and company. I'll call upon display now, which should display the string inside it, that is I love Apple products, and it's working. To illustrate the other method, I'll just type in something here, that is I have to override the methods present inside the interface always, or else it will show critical errors. Now I'll define the method company and I'll write something inside it. I love buy salads and technotip.com. Now once I call the company method, it will display I love buy sell ads and technotip.com. So this is the rules. Now I won't show you how to access the constant here. If you want to know how to access the constant variables present inside the interface, please visit technotip.com and search for interface in PHP or object-oriented PHP, or else just visit the link present inside the description section of this YouTube video, just to make you visit our lovely blog technotip.com. That error message already showed you the hint how to access the constant variables. Immediately you may write public here. Just think twice. Still it's showing the error. So just don't bang on your head. Just visit technotip.com and get the code to access the constant variables of this interface. Okay. Continuing further, let's just check out the method company here once more. And it's working. In multiple inheritance, you have two parent classes. If both of them have a method with same name and same signature, and you don't even override it in the child class, then PHP engine will be really confused as to which method to use. But in interface, you have to, that is, you must have to override the methods present in the interface class while implementing it, hence solving the ambiguity issue. So let me show you with display methods present both inside class A and interface I. Now, because it is present inside the interface I have to override it, or I have to define it inside the implementation class, that is class B. Now, once I write a method inside class B and instantiate an object of class B and invoke the display method, it will always call the display method of the child class. Well, we have an error here because we have misspelled display. Okay, now let's check. It should show Microsoft and Oracle once we invoke display method using an object of class B. Okay, Microsoft and Oracle, it's working. So using interface, we solve the ambiguity issue. Remember, all methods declared in an interface must be public and the variables should always be constant. And one more thing to specify, interfaces cannot be instantiated. Remember, interfaces cannot be instantiated. Interfaces acts as a placeholder or the blueprints for what you can create. Interfaces provide the basic design for a class with zero implementation details. Also, they define what methods a class must have, but you can create extra methods outside of those limitations too. In a situation wherein you make some set of rules and your colleagues or your team work on by extending that interface, that the rules set up by you inside the interface, they implement that interface and work further, so you could have a strong rule setup for them. Also, it helps in while coding for APIs, which comes in later part of this object-oriented PHP. So until then, please practice these videos. Please visit the link present in the description section of this YouTube video. Also share this video with your friends on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, StumbleUpon, etc. And please don't forget to like this video on YouTube.